Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we are going to understand how to send WhatsApp messages to Facebook leads for performance marketing agency. So I have a performance marketing agency and I'm promoting it with the help of Facebook lead ads. Here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to send a WhatsApp message to that lead. So now to do this, I need to build a connection between these applications, for which I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads and my action application will be WhatsApp Cloud API. So here to send the WhatsApp message, I have created a template in WhatsApp Cloud API. You can either use Interact, AI Sensei or other applications as well. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to send WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for performance marketing agency. So I have a performance marketing agency and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to send a WhatsApp message to that lead. So now in order to automate this entire process, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, and as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. In the meanwhile, subscribe to our channel. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as send WhatsApp messages to Facebook leads for performance marketing agency, and on my left hand side you can see that these are the folders which I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads automation. So now as this automation is for Facebook lead ads, I'm going to save this workflow in this folder, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I've arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of a trigger application, and in a workflow, we can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to send WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for performance marketing agency. So as I'm promoting my agency with the help of Facebook lead ads, so here Facebook lead ads will be my trigger application. Here it is. And the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I'm going to receive a new lead, then this workflow is going to run automatically. So now moving to my action window, as I want to send a WhatsApp message, so here I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API to send the WhatsApp message to the lead. So the action event will be to send template message. So as you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. My objective is to send WhatsApp message to Facebook leads received for performance marketing agency. So here in Pabbly Connect, I will go to my trigger window, and firstly I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I will simply click on connect with Facebook lead ads. I've already opened my Facebook lead ads account in one of the tabs. Here you can see that the authorization was successful. So here you can see that Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the page and the lead gen form. So here I need to select the page that I've created for my agency and the lead gen form which is associated with my page. So this here is the Facebook page that I've created, that is by the name of Peak Pulse Marketing. So firstly in Pabbly Connect, from this drop down, I'm going to search for my page. Here it is. So after selecting the page, now I need to select the lead gen form associated with it. So over here in Meta Business Suite, these are the lead gen form which I've created before. So I want to use this lead ad form by the name of Facebook lead ads form, and this is how the form looks like. So in Pabbly Connect, from this drop down, I'm going to select the lead gen form. So once I've selected the page and the lead gen form, here I'm simply going to click on save and send test request. So here you can see that it says waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded over here in Pabbly Connect. So in order to do a test submission, I will take you to this new tab, and over here I'm going to search for Meta for developers. I will go to the page. And here in Meta for developers, I will go to more. And now I will go to tools. and under developer tools, I will go to this lead ads RTO debug tool. So this here is the lead ads testing tool, and this tool is going to test our connection. So from this drop down, I'm going to select my page, and after selecting the page, I'm going to select the form, and now I'm going to click on preview form. So here I fill in the details, and now I'm going to click on next and submit this form. So here you can see it says, thanks, you're all set, your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead which I've just created right now would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that just now I have received a response. Here is the first name, last name, email, phone number, created date and time along with some other details. So that means the lead which I've just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead details will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the lead details over here in Pabbly Connect, now I want to send a WhatsApp message to that lead. So here in order to do that, I need to establish a connection between WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. So now in order to add a new connection, I need to mention the token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So I've already set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account. You can also check out the video on our YouTube channel to set up WhatsApp Cloud API account. So now I'm going to take you to Meta for developers, and over here under WhatsApp API setup, this here is the temporary access token given. I'm going to copy it, and here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. Now moving to the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So again from this page, I'm going to copy it, and in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to mention it. So here I've copied it, and here in Pabbly Connect, I've pasted it. So as I've mentioned these details, I'm going to click on save. So here you can see that WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the template part. So here these are the message templates that I've created before. I want to use this message template that is by the name of new lead message. So I'm going to show you this template. So this here is the template. It goes as, hello dummy user, thank you for choosing us. We got your details. One of our team member will assist you in a while. Thanks. So over here after hello, this here is a variable for name. So this variable will keep on changing accordingly as per I'm going to receive a new response from Facebook lead ads. So as my template is new lead message, over here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select it as new lead message. And now here it is detected the language code and the selected template ID. So now moving to the recipient mobile number. So to mention this detail, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous step. So as I've received the response from Facebook lead ads, so here I've mapped the mobile number and the body field, that is the variable for the name. So here I've mapped the name and the mobile number. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So in order to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped the details, here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So here you can see that the response which I've received is a positive response. So before clicking on save and send test request, I've mentioned an actual number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message as well. So here the response is positive, and now I'm going to show you the WhatsApp message. So this here is the WhatsApp message that has been sent. So over here after hello, you can see the name of the lead, that is dummy user. Here's the body content and it ends with thanks. So that means a WhatsApp message is successfully sent to the Facebook lead which I have just received. So this automation was a successful one. Now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then a WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.